Bo Bear, you want in?
Right.
You want in? I can see his ears. Bo Bear, you want in? Bo Bear! Hey guys, I know I look ridiculous in these glasses, but I left my really good ones upstairs and I cannot see to do anything without my glasses on on my phone. It is crazy, but these are my readers. And when I went to buy these readers, this was the wild lens that I bought. And I don't wear these all the time, y'all. This is just something I keep downstairs in case I leave my regular glasses upstairs. Anyhow, Ronnie's got a nature thing on. I just folded a load of clothes. I just washed a sink full of dishes. I cut up my family size pack of ground beef and I got that all in the freezer. And yes, I mopped everything. I cleaned this bathroom in here. And I took out all the garbages. So I've been busy since the last time. Well, I think this might be the first time you've seen me on here. We went over to his mother's to see them, and we had burgers with them. And we enjoyed our time over there. And then we stayed long enough that we had some coffee. And it's just been a real chilled, relaxed Saturday. I spent my entire morning on the phone. I talked to my sons. I talked to Ronnie's aunt, Francie. And I talked to my parents this morning. So it's been kind of a catch-up game with all the family, if you know what I mean. So, anyhow, Ronnie and I are going to watch our usual Dallas. I'm like, I am really into it. Like, I want to know what happened to JR Jr. Anyhow, we are on season number 2, and we're really enjoying it. But I'm not sure what all you're going to see for VEDA today. I kind of feel like today might be a little boring for you guys, but I am going to give you a video every day, just like I promised. If you don't know what VEDA means, it means vlogging every day of April. So, this is day 17. I believe it is. 17, yep. So, happy VEDA day 17. So, I worked on my stove today. I had a pot that overflowed. Don't you guys hate that? When that happens, I so do. I so do. Anyways, I've got my wax melts burning. I got all my dishes washed, and my kitchen's all clean. I do need to bleach my counters just a little bit, but I've got one load of laundry left to fold, and I'll be done with tonight. So, I am sitting here watching Dallas, and I told him, I said, turn it down while the commercial's going on so I can share this with you guys. I seen Christopher Allen with one of these. I think he bought his from Amazon, but I found mine at Office Depot for the same price, and you get these extra things of, I don't even really know what you would consider that, labels, I guess. 2 extra rolls, and the rolls are pretty expensive. So the whole kit together on sale was $19, but usually I think they were $29.99. Anyways, this is one of those embossing label makers. This is kind of the old-fashioned one where it kind of presses. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm holding this with one hand here. But it's like this. And you just set it on the letter that you want, and then you pull this trigger here, and then it puts the lettering into the label. And so I'm using this to label my filing box that I bought for all of my bills, and it works. But the only thing is, there's no way on this that you can clip this, so the only way to get it out is to actually take a pair of scissors and to cut it, but that's not a big deal. But anyways, I wanted to share this with you, why it's on sale at Office Depot, because if you guys know me, I'll be labeling everything, even though Ronnie won't be able to see any of the labels, but they will be there for me, won't they, honey?
Oh, yeah. They sure will, baby.
All right, guys, I know today for VEDA day 17, it's very, very short, but I'm going to go to bed, and I'm going to call it a night. Tomorrow's Sunday. Ronnie and I are planning to have a big breakfast, and I'm planning to do some housework and get some mail ready that needs to go out on Monday. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to head to bed. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and let me know that you are enjoying VEDA, which is vlogging every day in April. Everybody keeps asking me, what is VEDA? What is VEDA? So I am answering that question. It's vlogging every day in April. I hope y'all have a wonderful Sunday, and I will be seeing you again on Monday. Good night, guys.